In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Control H in Excel. We will walk through the Find and Replace tool so you can quickly update data without editing each cell by hand. Start by opening your Excel worksheet. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file with data already filled in. Once the sheet is open, make sure the correct worksheet tab is selected near the bottom if your file has more than one sheet. You do not need to select any cells first because Excel can search the whole sheet automatically. Now press the Ctrl and H keys on your keyboard at the same time. Use the letter H like the word hotel. As soon as you press this shortcut, Excel opens the Find and Replace window on top of your worksheet. You can still see your data in the background, so you always know what you are about to change. The Find and Replace window will appear. It usually shows two input boxes and a few buttons on the right side. At the top of the window, you will see the title Find and Replace, so you can confirm you opened the correct tool. If the window covers the cells you want to see, you can drag it by its title bar to move it aside. Next, enter what you want to find in the box labeled Find What. Click once inside that box, then type the text, number, or value you want to search for. This might be a word like pending, a number like 1000, or even part of a longer entry. Excel will look for that exact sequence of characters in the current worksheet. A useful trick is that Excel also finds the value if it appears inside a longer cell entry, not just when the cell matches it completely. After that, enter the replacement in the box labeled Replace With. Click inside that second box and type the new text or value you want Excel to insert instead. For example, you might change pending to complete, or update an old product code to a new one. As soon as you choose a replace option, Excel will use exactly what you type here, including spaces and capitalization. Now choose how you want Excel to apply the change. If you click the Replace button, Excel will jump to the next matching cell. Change only that one and keep the Find and Replace window open. This lets you review each result before moving on, which helps avoid updating cells that only look similar. If you click the Replace All button, Excel will immediately change all matching results at once in the current search area. After it finishes, a small message box will appear telling you how many replacements were made. Beginners often forget that this affects every match at once, so it is smart to double-check your Find What and Replace With values before you confirm. You have now learned how to open the Find and Replace window with Ctrl H and update values using Replace and Replace All in Excel. If this helped you clean up your sheet faster, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Excel tips.